A very common question that we get is, do I need to clean the house before you guys are willing to buy the house and make an offer? That's what we're talking about in today's video. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Columbus, Ohio, all over Central Ohio, and all over the great state of Ohio. And when we buy houses, we buy them in their as-is condition. And what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. And a lot of times people, they ask us, what if it's packed full of stuff, or don't I need to clean, or don't I need to get a dumpster or something like that? The answer is absolutely not. We will buy your house in its true as-is condition. I don't care if it's a hoarder house. I don't care if the house has been sitting vacant for years, or I don't even care if it needs just a little bit of work, right? There's no repairs, no amount of repairs too great or too small, and especially you absolutely don't need to clean the property. I just got that question today, and that's where this video is stemming from. So when we buy houses, we truly buy them in their as-is condition. And what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition, so you don't need to clean anything, no trips to the Home Depot, no broom and dustpan, no paper towels and Windex, absolutely nothing at all. It's a true as-is purchase. What allows us to do that is we're a cash buyer. So since we're paying cash, there's no formal appraisals, there's no formal inspections. Those are the deal killers right there. When somebody works with a more traditional buyer, the likelihood of that deal falling apart is much greater than working with a legitimate cash buyer like us. And the reason is nothing against the buyer. It's typically the lender or the bank that's financing a traditional buyer. You know how it goes. They're going to send through this formal inspection. It's intrusive. They're going to test every single outlet, test every single light switch. They're going to test every single ceiling fan, open and close the doors and the windows. They got their flashlight out. They got everything going on. It's pretty intrusive, and what they're doing is just compiling information that can only be used against you at the end of the day. After you hopefully survive this intrusive inspection, then they send through the appraiser, and we all know the appraiser actually works for the bank, and they have the bank or the mortgage company's best interests in mind, and it's basically their job to find something wrong with this thing, and they can absolutely blow up the deal, kill your deal. It could be a big waste of time for you. But you got to remember, in real estate, it's not just time that's being wasted, it's money, because every single day that passes where you're still waiting for this bank approval or this traditional buyer to actually close, you're still paying the property insurance, you're still paying the taxes, you're still paying the utilities, and this is all coming right off your bottom line. So when you sell to a direct cash buyer like us, you could close on the date of your choice. You tell us when you want to close. All the control is left with you. So if you want to close quickly, we absolutely could make that happen. We just closed one last week. From the time the seller contacted us until the day that we were at the closing table, they got their money, was only 6 days. We can absolutely move quickly when we need to, or when you want to, or if you need something more flexible, we can set up a target date. If you still need to make moving arrangements, if you need assistance with moving, whatever the case may be, if you need flexibility, you pick the closing date. All the control is left with you, and this is going to make a better relationship with you. You're going to know, you're going to have certainty, you're going to know when this thing's going to close. You're not relying on some approval to take place. So if you have a house and you're looking to sell the house in its as-is condition, where you don't need to lift a finger, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to pull out the mop and the bucket, there's no work to this thing you need to do. Okay, if you have a house and you're looking to sell it as is, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, it is a very easy conversation. We're not going to apply any pressure. It's a conversation amongst neighbors. We're local. We're not a call center. We're not reading a script. We just want to know more information about the house and then know more information about your timeline and when you're looking to close. We'll make you a fair cash offer on the house. If the offer works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands and part as friends. No pressure whatsoever. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what you are. We're here in Ohio, and we love Ohio. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials as well from people just like you that we were able to buy their house in its as-is condition. So contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com, and we'll give you a fair cash offer. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.